Good afternoon, everybody. Zach here with 918 Pressure Pros, Tulsa's trusted name in pressure washing and graffiti removal. Today we're tackling a huge project. We are removing over 900 square feet of graffiti from this 115-year-old brick building right in the heart in downtown Tulsa. Now, the owner of this building had several options. Quite a few companies wanted this job. They chose us because we have the proven process that safely removes graffiti without damaging the original brick or the mortar. And when you're working on a structure that is this old, it's super important. First, we're gonna apply our professional grade eco-friendly graffiti remover. It's gonna break down the paint without harming the brick. Then we're gonna use a low pressure hot water rinse. We're gonna lift the graffiti away, leaving the surface clean and intact, with no etching, no fading, no leftover residue, or anything in the nature.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? No rush, go on, move dumb.
Now our graffiti remover is applied to all the graffiti. We're gonna go ahead and let it sit here and dwell for anywhere 5 to 25 minutes. Let it really just work at this paint. Since it's such an old building and the mortar is so old, we're really gonna try to use very little pressure on this to remove the graffiti. So we're gonna give our remover the best possible chance of working by letting it just sit here and slowly eat at this paint. You can tell a lot of it is already starting to foam up a little. So yeah, I'll get back with you whenever we start power washing. Now we are on to our second application of graffiti remover. As you can tell, it's working its magic. We're gonna let it sit here for another 10 to 15 minutes probably, and then we will slowly start to rinse and see what we're left with from there. We're finally making some headway here after the third application. Sometimes this stuff, man, if it's years old and it's been covered multiple times, it can really be somewhat of a pain to get off. And then you start throwing in other variables like it's a historic building, 115-year-old brick, 115-year-old grout. It definitely can throw a curveball in our processes, make things take longer than they usually would. But it's all in the nature of the beast, and we're slowly but surely making some progress here. So I'll check back with you after this next coat. Here's your finished product. And just like that, 900 square feet of graffiti gone. No damage to the brick, no harm to the mortar. Just clean, restored surface. So if you're needing graffiti removal or pressure washing, give us a call, 918-600-9391, or you can visit 918pressurepros.com.
Know that they fly, know that they ride or die.